Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers, and tonight we're coming at you with a random for a 3-box football mixer. The 3 boxes are going to be 2013 Supreme, 2013 Triple Threads, and 2013 Museum. All the names have been entered into random.org. I'm going to randomize 6 times, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, let's see who we got. I know Molina's got the Redskins. And Tucker, you're at top with the Cardinals. I don't know why it's taking the numbers from Ustream. That just makes no sense at all. From random. Alright, we never had that problem before, but it's not going to affect us. Tucker, Arizona Cardinals. Molina, Atlanta Falcons. Dennis, Baltimore Ravens. Molina with the Bills. Molina with the Bills. There you go. Jeremy with the Panthers. Chris with the Bears. Bobby with the Bengals. Terry with the Browns. Brian with the Cowboys. Don with the Broncos. Will with the Lions. Joe Q, first timer with us. Thanks for joining, Joe. You got the Packers. Tucker with the Texans. Scott with the Colts. Ron with the Jaguars. Scott with the Chiefs. Ryan with the Dolphins. Molina with the Vikings. Bobby with the Patriots. Tyler with the Saints. Jeremy with the Giants. Don with the Jets. Chris with the Raiders. Will with the Eagles. Ryan with the Steelers. Brian with the Chargers. Ron with the Niners. Dennis with the Seahawks. Terry with the Rams. Joe with the Bucks. Tyler with the Titans. And Molina with the Redskins. Alright guys, there you have it. Don't forget to check us out at www.thecasebreakers.com and follow me on Twitter at thecasebreakers. Boom, baby!